Okay, so today we are dispersed camp um, at North Fork, and I really don't remember which wilderness area this is. I think, well, we're somewhere just outside of Florence. I mean, Florence, Oregon is like a stone's throw away, so it's not very far. It's an excellent site, paved road all the way up to the sign that says North Fork. And I paced it off this morning when I was walking the dogs. I think we might be maybe 600 feet up a gravel road. Beautiful campsite. But what I was going to talk to you this morning about is I was going to demonstrate the Sawyer 1 water filter that I carry and use. Now I carry the two-bag system. Let me make sure I'm still in camera here. I carry the two-bag system rolled up. I've got friends that have any number of different configurations. I've got one friend that uses the two buckets. You know, the top bucket has a hole in it. There's a ceramic filter and it goes into the bottom plastic food grade quality bucket with a little spigot, and it works lovely. And that's a shout out to cousin Dick. But there's all kinds of systems. This is the one I carry because I don't use it in everyday use. It's a backup, and so I thought, well, this morning I got a beautiful crystal clear stream. Doesn't require any real pre-screening. You know, a lot of times you take water out of a stream or a pond, you've got to run it through some kind of little screen just like a guppy catcher to get the debris. This stream is so clear. I was photographing crawdads under about a foot of water, about 4 or 5 feet from the shore. You can't even tell they're in water. They look like they're crawling across the grass. So anyway, going back, this is the Sawyer 1. It is the two-bag system. You can get these in a gallon size. I think it was probably my mistake when I ordered that I got the smaller size, but that's okay. I can just run more batches of water, no big deal. The neat thing about this system is you'll notice you've got a gray bag, gray water, contaminated water, and a blue bag, fresh water. So things are getting kind of color coordinated at this point, right? They also have quick connects for the tubing. You'll notice this bag of water is full and I'm not having to hassle and hurry and everything else. Now the quick connects also work, that's lovely, on the filter itself. And again, you have a gray side and a blue side. You're going to flow the water in, and I'll see if I can get close enough in range here. Let me see if you can see that. Get it turned around to the light. It's going to be difficult to see in the sunlight, but you have a marking on the side that says flow, and but it's basically the same principle, gray water to blue water. It comes with, sorry about that, I fumbled. It comes with a couple of accessories. One of them I think is kind of neat is this is a faucet adapter, sort of like you would use on the old the water bandit that everybody uses. You can just slide this over any faucet that you're not real comfortable with the water, and then of course it has the same quick connect to fit the gray bag, so you can fill the bag out of the faucet. Let's put it together. Sorry to be turning around so much. I'm working out of the back of the van. Yes, it is sunny and hot, but that's lovely. So I'm going to lay my phone down. I believe I'm on camera. Everybody can see. It's kind of my monitor. Again, all it does, push the little release tab, plug in the hose, make sure it's fitted. The other end of the hose goes to the blue bag. Again, push in the little release tab, make sure it's fitted well. Sorry, I about messed up. Let me back up. Trying to talk and demonstrate. That is a mistake you could make. What you want to do is connect the blue side of the filter to the clean bag, just like this, and then your gray hose will go to this bag. And I just have them hung, you know, S-hooks on the door, as you can see, no big deal. And immediately when I plug this in, it's going to start filtering water. Now, it takes just a few minutes, a minute or two sometimes. If it's a brand new filter, it'll take a minute or two because the element needs to get wet and have water in it. And I'm not sure if I can show you this on the camera or not. I know I won't be able to because the water flow's going to stop. but you can see the water flowing into this bag. And if you want to speed the process up a little bit, you can open the top to let a little air in so it'll move a little smoother. Same thing's true here. Open the tops to kind of vent the air. And as you can see, hopefully, and here, I'm making clean water. Like I said, I have friends that use different systems. I see people using even the Berkey water filters that are out there, the big shiny canisters. This one was not expensive at all. It all rolls up, and I carry it in a case like this, and actually it sits in the compartment where my normal water storage is. So I have an alternative. Brenda and I were talking about, well, we need to probably get on down the road Saturday or so, but part of what controls that for a lot of people is they run out of water, they run out of food, what have you. This is one way to extend your stay. As Roland would say, go farther, stay longer. This helps me go farther and stay longer. We generally carry a complement of 12 gallons of water for dishes and everything else, along with we probably have 3 to 4 1-gallon jugs floating around because it's easy to pour out of. But this is a way we could replenish our water supply. And in the time that I've been sitting here talking since I hooked it up, I think we're about halfway through the bag. So you can see it's fairly quick, fairly easy. It is a 0.1 micron. It's going to kick down and remove all the bacteria. But the beautiful thing about the Sawyers is that because of the nature of the filter, if the flow starts getting slow, what you can do is fill this blue bag with clear water and simply back flush the filter. Turn the filter around and run the water out. The filter media is designed to be back flushed and cleaned. This filter gets used in third world countries where you couldn't very easily replace a filter element every 3 months or so. It's a very good product. I like it. I've used their water products now for about 4 years, I think, and totally satisfied with it. So there it is. A little demonstration of what I do to back up and extend my stay when it comes to water. So the last thing I'm going to tell you on this fairly hot day is to get out, be safe, go adventure.